with Wendy, and we're gonna draw a very easy, simple dog today. We're gonna start with a rectangle right in the center of the paper. So a horizontal line, and then I want the rectangular shape to be a little bit more round around the corner. And then right here on the bottom, we're going to draw an oval. And you could go ahead draw another small oval shape, and let's go ahead color in the black nose. And just a vertical line. And then we go ahead draw a big circle here, and then a smaller circle here. And let's go ahead and draw the eyeball. And 2 ears. And let's go ahead and draw the body all the way down. And then we're gonna add a collar. Draw some circles. A circle in the center and just put an X. And I like to put a frame around this dog, so just a vertical line. All the way down. And then a horizontal line. So we kind of have a frame around this dog. Now we're ready to paint. It's always the easiest to start with the lightest color in watercolor. So we're going to start with yellow. And I'm going to go with the background. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Art Lessons with Wendy.